Facebook Messenger not sending videos. Hi guys, welcome back to this new short tutorial. I'm gonna show you how to fix Facebook Messenger not sending videos. First thing, open the settings and then go to the apps. When you open the apps on this page, you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. Wait a few seconds, it will start loading like this, and then scroll until you find the messenger. Click on it and then click on force stop. After that, click on storage and then click on clear data and clear cache, and then go to the data usage. Make sure to enable all these options. Go back again, go to the force stop and click on it. Last thing you want to do is turn off your phone and turn it on again, and if the problem is not solved yet, then you may have to remove Messenger and re-download it.